stocks our strategists feel are poised to deliver positive returns are featured now in their top stock picks of the week.
We are going to round out the month of January hearing about an internet-related stock and a software stock. Something a little different this time around. We have one strategist who is going to tell you about both companies, and that's Dan LeBeau, and he joins me here at the desk. So, Dan, GoDaddy is the internet-related company, right?
Mm-hmm. So GoDaddy, I'm sure a lot of you guys have probably heard of it. You've seen those, sex appeal commercials they used to have, trying to figure out what this company actually does.
Right.
But this company has driven a significant amount of growth in the computer web hosting segment, and they've been a leader in the segment for 20 years and have accumulated over 19 million customers so far. So this company has sported double-digit top-line growth since it went public in 2015. And expanding margins in 2019 was no exception to that. But as you can see in this chart, the stock has traded effectively sideways throughout the last 52 weeks. A lot of this has to do with some misses on the EPS from estimates, and we're just jumping back into growth after a strong Q3 earnings. So management thinks this company is undervalued and has been buying back their own stock, and I'm inclined to agree with that. So just recently, a new CEO took the helm. Scott Wagner had some health-related issues and had to step down, and Uman Batani just took the CEO position at GoDaddy.
Okay.
And his prior experiences at Brand Expedia Group, he was the president of that for a number of years, and he delivered tremendous leadership as well as operational excellence. And analysts and investors have a lot of positive sentiment going into his reign as CEO of GoDaddy. So his first act was launching a new campaign combining website and marketing, and this is kind of a build on Go Central, which was a bundle that they had for entrepreneurs to both launch a attractive website as well as monetize this website.
Are they still offering potential customers building a free site?
I don't know if that offering's still around.
It was out for a long time.
Yeah, I know that the offering is quite cheap. I think it starts at about $5 a month, if not less. No, take that back. I think I saw it for $1.99 a month.
Oh, wow.
Just to launch your own website.
Yeah.
But these offerings, I think that they start at $10 for the combination of website and marketing, and they just passed the 1 million subscriber mark recently with Bhutani's new offering. So, they've driven 20% year-over-year free cash flow growth, and this is huge. This gives the company an enormous amount of flexibility for both internal investment as well as acquisitions in this consolidating field. So,
cool.
Look for more acquisitions from this company moving forward, and I think they have a lot of potential internationally. Right now, they have, like I said, over 19 million subscribers, and 8.5 of them are international. I think there's an enormous amount of opportunity there as they continue to buy out more companies. They just bought a company in Europe that's one of the big web hosting companies out there, and there's continued growth from that angle as well. So 8 out of 11 analysts are calling this a buy right now. And EPS estimate has continued to guide further and further up. And this is Zacks rank number 1. Strong buy right now.
All the trends are positive.
All the trends are positive, yes. But the first earnings for Bhutan comes out February 13th, and this is really going to put his leadership skills to the test.
Yeah.
So look for that in the coming weeks, and see if Bhutan can really perform how analysts and investors are expecting him to.
Yeah, not long from now, because we're sitting here on the 27th of January.
Yeah,
so
no, just a couple weeks.
It's only a couple of weeks. All right, and then that software company that you want to tell us about is NVIDIA.
NVIDIA.
It's a real common name out there.
Yeah, so NVIDIA is both hardware and software, so it's a semiconductor company. They're known for their GPUs, and this has known in the past or has been known in the past for just image rendering for gaming, but the capabilities have gone way beyond that. And the markets are pricing this in as the cyclicality of semiconductors is going back on their side, and we've seen a huge amount of growth in the last 7 months from this sector. NVIDIA alone has seen 77% share price appreciation since the beginning of June.
Wow.
And you got to wonder how much more growth can we see from this company and how much has been priced in.
Yeah.
So, I mean, a lot of this, like I said, has to do with the resurgence in hyperscaling. And NVIDIA's chips, GPUs, which were usually known for rendering images for gaming, have now been a necessity in data centers because of how fast they're able to execute actions, and I guess the capabilities of this GPU are going beyond just small monitor, or what am I saying? Small, one type functions. The functions are getting way more complex.
Right.
And NVIDIA is also making a bet on 5G. They are coming out with this platform called GeForce Now, and this is a turnkey solution for 5G. It's going to allow gamers to game on any platform, whether it's their PC or their Mac, and enjoy the same hardware of NVIDIA's GPUs anywhere they are. And this is a 5G play because this is only going to be the capabilities of this mobile gaming are only going to be available when 5G is fully rolled out. So. Right now, it's in the beta stage, so people are testing this software. But forums right now are calling this the best cloud-based gaming platform out there today. So look for a top-line push in that, as well as data centers. Right now, NVIDIA is also moving towards AI development, and they are the #1 chip for this development. And I think they're going to be a part of the first true AI.
Cool.
Which is going to be interesting moving forward.
Yeah. Do you own either of these two companies?
I do own NVIDIA. I do not own GoDaddy.
Okay. Well, thanks for doing double duty for us this time around. We really appreciate you presenting those two companies. Don't forget, more stock information is always on our website, Zacks.com. Get over to the homepage and start checking it out if you haven't already. And also, you heard Dan talk or refer to earnings for one company. Now you can get advance notice of positive earnings surprises from Zacks. Zacks research breakthrough predicting currently with near 80% accuracy which stocks are going to be beating earnings expectations even before their reports are released. And this has led to double-digit gains in less than 1 week. So see the stocks that our algorithm is currently picking now by visiting Zacks.com/promo for those details. Meantime, with Dan, I'm Terry Ruffalo.